Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Faith Kariru. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. It's the red button down below with the initials subscribe. I'll wait for you to subscribe. I'll wait. It's this kind of red down here. Subscribe, like hit it. It's free, no charges. I'll wait. Good. So since you've subscribed, I'm going to take you through today's video fast, quick, and in a hurry because I just got home and I need to chill and relax. And yeah, so with that, today I was wearing this brown polo neck, this animal print belt. The texture is quite nice. It's furry. It's like what, leather-ish. It's nice. And this cream pants. That was my look for today. Simple makeup, studs. Now let's get into today's video. I'm holding it right here. So today I want to take you guys through how to make a polo neck sweater top for yourself. So I made one for myself and I'm going to take you through a quick time lapse of how I made this sweater. It was quite easy for me, easy to say, kinda, but it was quite an experience. Yeah, it was nice. The first sweater I made, the one that you'll see me making in the video, my neighbor bought it, so I had to make another one for this video. Like, she bought it the same day. I hadn't even finished making the video, like, to show you guys how to style this sweater. So yeah, it's that simple. It has a polo neck, the golden buttons, they're metallic. The reason why I use the small buttons for this one is because the big buttons, I had bought them from my friend. She's called Shiko Kibudu. She sells them in Nairobi Textile. The second-hand buttons, accessories, she sells second-hand tailoring accessories at a very good price. They are worth the price. And yeah, so those ones were done, so I had to buy others. And I didn't find the big golden ones, so I used the small ones to accessorize the sweater. So the sweater has these bishop sleeves. Yeah, it's quite nice. And I made the second one longer with the crisscross front. This crisscross joins up at the waistline, at your waistline. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to style this sweater. So let's get into let's start with how to make this sweater first. the sweater, I've styled it. I've worn the earrings I told you, and with the boots. The boots are really nice. They are big, they are comfy, but they're high. I like them. And I've styled the look with this animal print bag. Yeah, I like the cut of it, the back and how loose it is. It's very comfortable, and the front is a crop cut, so you have to wear it with high waist pants that are extra fitting. And I like how it blends the black boots because it looks like it's all one unit, like they're high waist or something boots. I like it, and the buttons blend out so well. So that's the first look of how I styled this sweater. Yeah, let's do the second look. So guys, here's my second look. I've added the belt and the change of shoes. So still same tights, just a change of shoes. And yeah, the shoes look like this, the animal print heels. They look really nice, and the studs and the colors of the animal print heels match the sweater. So if you added a belt to cinch the waist, it looks so much different. If you're going somewhere fancy, you can just style it up. Black belt, the black matches the tights, but you don't always have to match it up. Yeah, and this look is simple, nice, and I like it. I like how it looks from the back. Yeah. So if I was to use a clutch bag, I'd use the same one, the animal print, because these animal prints match very well with the shoes, the animal print shoes. So yeah, that's look number 2. So this is a sling bag that I'm going to pair this outfit with, the third one, because it's pretty simple. It's a skirt and just heels. So from the top, I look like this, down to my shoes. I'm wearing this skirt, and my shoes look like that. They're these studs. They also have the Valentino inspired studs. So yeah, and they are wedgy. They have a wedge on the side. They are wedges. I like them. The skirt is mesh, has some mesh, if you can see. So it's pretty simple. The bag hangs like this on your hip. Yeah, and the bag, if you haven't noticed, has the same golden details. The metallics, the same as the buttons, gold. If you're going silver, you go silver all the way. So that's it, down to my earrings. So I look like this on the same gold details. Yeah, so that's it for look number 3. Looks like that, head to toe.